Hi kids, good afternoon. It's me again, Teacher Donna, and today we have another lesson. So, since our theme for this week is about nature, our circle time is also about nature. Now, I am going to share with you the screen because before we start our lesson or before we learn some vocabulary, I want you to watch this first. So let's listen to the song first.
I love the mountains, I love the river, I love the cloud up in the sky. Flowers and trees are loved by the bees. Flowers and trees are loved by the bees. I love the mountains, I love the river, I love the cloud up in the sky. Birds love the butterflies and butterflies love the sky. Birds love the butterflies and butterflies love the sky.
Okay, so after watching the video, now I am going to share with you the screen and I will show you some pictures about some of the things that we see when we look outside and when we go out. And I will share with you the first one. Okay, everybody, before that, please say nature. Nature. Okay, so when we say nature, again, there are, what do you see? Mountains. What else? Trees, rivers, birds, clouds, sky, right? Now I have here some more pictures and these are the things or these are the animals or things that we see when we go outside. And let's have the first one. Everybody, please say ant. Ant. Okay, next one. We have flowers. So we have here rose. We have here balloon flower, water lily, and many more. Okay, again, everybody say flowers. Next, number 3. Butterfly. So butterfly, and we usually see butterflies flying around flowers, right? Okay, one more time, please say butterfly. Next one, what do you see? It's a spider. Okay, everybody say spider. Spider. If you are familiar with Spider-Man, but this one is not Spider-Man, okay? This is spider. Okay, and it's an insect. Okay, so when we go to the forest or maybe in your backyard, sometimes there are spiders or at home too, right? Okay, everybody say spiders. Okay, next one we have lizard. Everybody please say lizard. So this is the kind of lizard that we see at home. Everybody please say lizard. Lizard. Very good. Next one we have, everybody please say ladybug. Ladybug. Okay, so ladybug is an insect. Okay, next one we have number 7, squirrel. Squirrel. I think in Thailand you will see lots of squirrels, right? Sometimes you can see squirrels outside the house and like running around, right? So everybody please say squirrel. Squirrel. Okay, number 8 we have green leaves. So when we go outside, we see leaves of the trees and leaves of the flowers. Next one, everybody please say stick. Stick. Very good. And number 10, please say rock. Rock. Do you have rocks at home? Do you have rocks outside the house? Number 11, warm. Again, warm. Okay, so warm, that helps the plants to make it healthier, to make the soil healthier. All right, so if you see worm, do not kill them, okay? Everybody, one more time, warm, warm. Okay, next one, this is the last one. We have bee, bee. Okay, so let's review one more time. Bee, warm, rock, stick or stick, green leaves, squirrel, ladybug, lizard, spider, butterfly, flowers, ant. Okay, so I want you to go around your house, and if you find some of these things around your house or at home, then I want you to draw all the things that you can find inside the box. You have to draw, for example, you find or you can find a flower, then you will draw a flower. Or what else? If you can find a bee, then you will draw a bee inside the box, okay? Maybe you can find a worm or a rock or a stick or leaves. So you have to draw all the things that you can find here inside the box. So once it's on the list and you see them, I want you to draw them inside the box. So it means you can find them around your home. If you can find a lizard, then you have to draw inside the box. All right, so all the things that I mentioned, and if you can find them, you have to draw them inside this box. So that is your homework, and after you finish, you have to take a picture and send to our line group, and Teacher Donna will check your homework. So I think that's it for circle time, and I hope you do your homework, and please color your drawing too. All right, so I think that's it for today, and Teacher Donna will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.